Older houses will usually contain old fittings. A good door lock will usually last for a long time, but when it finally gives up, it's quite easy to replace. A door lock that isn't operating properly can be a real pain. To replace it, take off one of the door knobs. Usually the knobs are held on by screws, but on more complex models you may need to use a small screwdriver or a hexagonal key to undo a tiny recessed bolt that is located at the bottom of the knob. Slide out the drive shaft and store it with the knobs and screws, which we'll reuse later. Now the lock slides out. If it's tight, pry it out with a screwdriver. Take it to your local locksmith. Compare the price of fixing it to the price of a new lock. Bear in mind that a new lock will take a new key. You may use the same key for a few door locks in your home, so a repair may be a better option. If you buy a new lock, make sure it's the same size as the old one and that the screw holes are in the same place. Once back home, slide the new lock into place and insert the screws. Make sure that the lock is facing the right way. Use the new screws that come with the new lock. If they don't fit, use the old screws that you saved. Once the lock is secure, fit the shaft into the lock and replace the knobs at each end. This is a very easy job and takes an experienced handyman about 10 minutes. You can run into trouble though with screws and lock sets that are slightly different to your old ones, so be sure to get exactly the same lock set.